into the city heart.
Kottayam is a beautiful district in the heart of Kerala, where lush green backwaters meet misty hills and culture blends effortlessly with nature. Often called the city of letters, Kottayam is known for its rich literary heritage, peaceful lifestyle, and timeless charm. From the moment you arrive, the calm rhythm of life here invites you to slow down and truly experience Kerala beyond the usual tourist path. The history of Kottayam runs deep, shaped by ancient kingdoms, early education, and cultural movements that influenced all of Kerala. Historic landmarks like Punyar Palace, with its traditional wooden architecture and royal artifacts, tell stories of a glorious past. Ancient temples and centuries-old churches across the district reflects Kottayam's role as a center of spirituality, learning, and social reform. One of the most iconic experiences in Kottayam is the serene backwaters of Kumaragam located along the vast Vembanadu Lake. As houseboats drift gently across the water, surrounded by coconut palms and migrating birds, the outside world fades away. This peaceful landscape perfectly captures the soul of Kerala's backwater life. Beyond the backwaters, Kottayam surprises travelers with dramatic hill views at places like Illikal and Ilavira Punjira. These high altitude viewpoints offer sweeping panoramas of green valleys, rocky cliffs, and rolling clouds, making them ideal for trekking, photography, and moments of quiet reflection. A short drive from the district takes you to Vagaman, a charming hill station known for its cool climate, pine forest, and endless grasslands wrapped in mist and silence. Vagaman feels like a natural retreat where time slows down and nature takes center stage. Kottayam is a land of spiritual harmony. The ancient Vaikam Mahadeva temple, one of Kerala's most revered temples, stands alongside historic churches that date back centuries. Together, they symbolize the district's deep rooted traditions and cultural unity. Nature lovers will find joy in Kottayam's waterfalls, especially during the monsoon season. Aravikudi waterfall, surrounded by lush greenery and flowing streams, offers a refreshing escape into untouched natural beauty. Village life in Kottayam reveals another side of its charm. In places like Tiruvarpu, boats glide through stunning fields of blooming water lilies, creating scenes that feel almost unreal. These peaceful villages reflect the simple, graceful rhythm of rural Kerala. Food is an essential part of Kottayam experience. Traditional meals served on banana leaves include favorites like appam and stew, fish curry, beef vartiyadu, puttu with kadla curry, and sweet delicacies such as adapradamam. Every dish carries the warmth and flavors of Kerala's culinary traditions. Festivals bring color and energy to the district throughout the year. From vibrant temple festivals to church celebrations and traditional art forms like Margam Kali, Kottayam's cultural spirit shines through music, dance, and community gathering. Exploring Kottayam is best done at a relaxed pace. Walk along quiet village roads, interact with friendly locals, enjoy local cafes, and soak in the peaceful surroundings. Every moment here feels genuine and welcoming. Kottayam is not just a destination, it's an experience that blends nature, history, culture, and cuisine into one unforgettable journey. Whether you are seeking adventure, tranquility, or cultural depth, Kottayam offers it all, wrapped in the gentle beauty of Kerala. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, tata bye bye.